Hey guys, John here, and we're gonna try to get on some trout today. It is the second day of trout season in PA. I didn't get out on the first day. We did have a ton of flooding, and stay tuned to the end of the video. Oh look, you get to see me catch my first snag. How exciting is that? Anyway, the video from yesterday, I almost fell in. Stay tuned to the end. Be a little blooper reel at the end. I think I'm about to snap my line off, actually. So can't tell what this is. Oh, I'm getting some movement. Oh, it's the world's biggest stickfish. Stay tuned while I try. Oh, there we go. I saved it. Yeah, we're probably not going to stay in this area because that is one massive freaking log that I cannot get around right now. So we will move. But like I said, we're going to try to get on some trout today, hopefully. We were flooded for a while. It's still really high. But I don't know if you can see, like right in here. You can usually walk straight across, and that clearly isn't the case today. So stay tuned. I'll be back hopefully with a fish on. Alright, as you guys can see, I got my slip bobber on, bead, uni knot as my bobber stop, worm and a hook, split shot to stop it, and all I'm doing is just casting upstream and just letting it float. Had a couple bites. You saw I got one fish on the second cast. And look at that. Oh, he spit it. But, I mean, they're active right now. They are active right now, that's for sure. So, hopefully I'll get on another one. Giving it my all. First fish. So this is the spot where I almost fell in the other day. Alright, so far it is a success. A nice perfect little right in the mouth. Can't get much better than that. Not the biggest fish in the world, but it's a fish nevertheless. So I'm gonna try to get a quick pick.
Take my picture, I slapped the shit out of you.
Get a quick pick and get him the fuck back in. Hey guys, John here. We're gonna try to do a little fishing without falling into. Whoa! Alright, let's reset that. John here, gonna do a little fishing. Doubt I'm gonna catch anything because the conditions are pretty bad. Because if you're from southwestern PA, you know we have been getting buried in rain. It's a lot of flooding and whatnot, so yeah, everything's really high. You can kind of see, so I'm not anticipating having a good day, but you know the age-old saying, a good day fishing or a bad day fishing is better than a good day at work. So just kind of reset, see what we can do, and by reset I mean just kind of more meditative. Gonna just try to get on some fish, just kind of relax for a little bit, and we'll go from there. Hopefully I can get on something. If not, oh well.